New business owner, guess what? Google Business Profile is going to be one of your best ways to get new customers for your brand new business. But most new business owners know nothing about it. And why would you? You've never had to actually build one or use one before as a business owner. You've always just used them as a consumer. So I'm going to break it down so that you can get started on the right foot. I'm going to break down some do's and don'ts after 15 years of working with small businesses and helping them manage their Google Business Profiles along the way. I'm just going to break down some do's and don'ts so that you can get started on the right foot, optimizing your profile in the right way to help you get customers for your business. Let's break this down. Okay, but first, what is a Google Business Profile? Why is it so important? Well, your Google Business Profile is like literally how your business shows up in Google when somebody is searching for what you do, what you offer, or your business, right? This tool is your business's digital front door on the world's busiest street, Google. So whether you're selling cupcakes, fixing bicycles, or offering landscaping services, your Google Business Profile can help customers find you, learn about what you do, and get in touch. So today we're going to walk through the simple yet powerful tips and common pitfalls to avoid. Let's make sure your business can shine online. And here's the thing. Once they go to your profile, they're going to click on that website link to website. So if you don't have a website yet, click on the link below for a $9 a month simple professional website for your local business from Mighty Sites. Free trial to get started. All right, now let's jump right into this. All right, the first up, you've got to claim and verify your business. You have to make sure to claim your Google Business Profile or create one and then verify it using the method Google provides. This could be a phone call, an email, or a postcard sent to your business address. Number two, complete every section. Just fill out your profile. So just make sure to add all the information it's asking for. This includes your business name, your address, your phone number, your website, hours of operation, and a thorough description of what your business offers. Next up, you just want to add high quality photos. Use clear and attractive photos that are real and show off what your business does and what customers can expect. So it's like a photo album that tells your business's story and helps new customers get familiar with your business. Next, you're going to want to start encouraging your happy customers to leave a review. And when they do, say thank you. If you get a bad review, don't panic, just respond politely and offer to make things right. This shows you care about your customers. Number five, keep your information updated. Seasons change and so do business hours or services. Always keep your profile updated. It's like keeping the sign in the front of your shop accurate. You don't want to invite customers to your business accidentally when you're closed. That could lead to frustration. Next, use posts to engage with customers. Share updates, promotions, or events through your Google posts. It's like putting up a new flyer, right? Or a new coupon all the time in your digital window. Keep it fresh and exciting. It helps attract customers into your business. Okay, now here are the don'ts, and here are the things you want to avoid. First off, obviously, avoid inaccurate information. Don't let your profile tell tales. Misleading information can frustrate customers and damage trust, so always double check your details. Number two, don't ignore reviews. Every review is a gift, even the not good ones. Ignoring them is like ignoring customers who walk near your store. Listen and engage. People really care about reviews in this day and age. Number three, don't use low quality photos. Blurry or irrelevant or stock photos can make a bad first impression, all right? So always put your best foot forward with high quality, relevant images. Number four, avoid posting inappropriate content. Keep your posts professional and relevant to your business. Remember, Google Business Profile is not a personal social media account. It's a professional reflection of your business. And number five, don't forget to monitor your profile. You can't just set it and forget it. Regularly check in to update information, respond to reviews, and post fresh content. All right, the regular attention is going to help it thrive. If you like this video, hit that subscribe and like, because managing your Google Business Profile is an ongoing journey, and we're going to teach you everything you need to know about creating visibility for your local business. So catch these next videos. I hope you subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video as we keep teaching you how to grow and manage your local business. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll talk to you soon.